Hi, my name's Bill Roth. I am the co-owner and head coach over at Roth's Cross-Point Gymnastics. I have the amazing privilege of being the father of Matthew over here, who I coach.
Men's gymnastics has 6 different apparatus that you can do, gymnastic skills on. The injury in my shoulder hindered me from doing all 6 of those events. I had 2 tears in my labrum, which resulted in actually multiple dislocations. I had 2 labrum repairs, 1 in each shoulder. In a moment when you're injured, you just want to get healed. That's all you really care about. The doctors at Rothman were definitely very strategic with their plan in my individual scenario. And it was very important because, they laid out all the options.
For me, it was arthritis, and it was wear and tear to my ankle to the point where it was bone on bone, and it got to one point where I couldn't weight bear anymore. Sitting on the sidelines with my foot up, on my little scooter, I felt like I couldn't do anything. It was hard, it was difficult, it limited me. And then it was the decision of, do we do a total ankle replacement? Do we try to put it off? And once I made that decision that we were gonna do a total ankle replacement, from prior to surgery to after surgery, it was life-changing. When I walked in the front door at a Rothman facility, the professionalism, the comfort, it just capitalized on everything. They're the best. They really are. Having friends that are part of the medical field, anybody we asked, they were just very direct. This is who you have to go to.
Rothman specializes in shoulders, so I can specialize in gymnastics.
Rothman specializes in foot and ankle, so that I can specialize in being the best gymnastics coach I can possibly be.